What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton. Today I'm going to be showing you and talking about how to install a door handle on your door. Now this door handle actually was working perfectly fine, but one day I went to open it and it broke. I'll talk more about that in the video. Now this handle was already installed and it came with the house, so I'm just fixing it. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce how-to videos and review videos in demonstrating how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right up here. The time that it took me to complete this project was about 5 minutes, so let's get started. These French doors have a stationary knob that's drilled right onto the door on the right side and an actual knob that I need to fix on the left. So here's the internal parts of this doorknob that broke. As I went to turn this knob one day, this middle piece here broke. So the knob was really loose, but it wasn't opening my door. So after several minutes of trying to figure out how to remove this doorknob from this door, I was able to do so, and this middle piece I just fastened down with some JB Weld and let it dry for 48 hours. How our doorknob works is actually pretty simple. This square piece that broke off, you just slip it into the other side, and these other two pieces right here are made to secure and fasten down the screws. You don't want to over tighten your screws because these pieces can actually break off and you're left with a screw that just sits there and spins. The main mechanism in the door is actually the latch itself. You'll see here that this piece is where that middle square piece that broke off will go into and enables your door to open and close. You'll also see that this square piece will adjust from left to right. There are typically two measurements, 2 3/8 and 2 3/4, from the edge of your door to the center of the main hole where your door handle will be. Take the latch of your door, make sure it's going to close the right direction and it's snug. You'll see that the square piece is not centered in this main doorknob hole, so make sure you adjust that to be in the center to allow your doorknob to work properly. Typically you want to make sure that the doorknob that doesn't show the screws is on the outside of the door. Line the pieces up to go through the hole and then take the other side of the doorknob, line it up and fasten down the screws. I like to start with the screw that isn't in the way of the doorknob, so then you can pull that down and tighten the other screw, making sure that you don't over tighten. Make sure you test out your door and you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see other project videos just like this one that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here, and don't forget to click on this icon to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project review videos that we have in the pipeline. Also, be sure to check out our social media pages that you can find right here. I would also ask that you go check out the JB Weld review video that I completed in the past, and thanks for watching.